Hi everyone, it's Daryl Baum on set at the JAFRA Beauty Studio. Today I'm going to share with you our beautiful new foundations. JAFRA created new formulas with the latest technology in skincare for a flawless finish. Our new longwear foundation with an SPF 20 is a lightweight serum foundation with hyaluronic acid that smooths the skin. This new formula is designed to separate in the bottle, so you need to shake it well before using. Next, lift the stir stick out of the bottle and take a drop from the stir stick and apply it onto the skin. It's very lightweight, so little goes a long way. Repeat as needed. Our model is wearing the natural M2 shade. The new Royal Jelly Foundation gives you the skincare benefits of Royal Jelly, along with hydrating natural botanicals and antioxidants for radiant glow. It also provides light to medium coverage so you can layer as desired. Both products have built-in primers, they wear long, and give a smooth appearance with light diffusing technology to minimize pores and lines. JAFRA brings you the best skincare technology with gorgeous color and a flawless finish. Now you can treat your skin all day long while looking confident and fabulous.